Hi team, how is everybody doing? This is Miguel from WakeUp Labs teams. I am here to walk you through the final results of Milestone 1, which we are wrapping up this week for our UGC platform. As you may remember in our last meeting, I showed you an earlier version of the platform in wireframes. At that time, we had to reduce the scope since we didn't have to access to the Sandbox APIs. So instead, we decided to focus on building a smart search feature, something we truly believes brings value to the community right now and can easily scale once the public APIs are available. From the design side, we are also working on the gift to the community. This will be a separate prototype that showcases the future potential of the platform and a vision of how it could evolve once we have access to more open APIs from the sandbox. Now, let me walk you through what we have built this last month. Well, here you're seeing we developed a smart search bar powered by a large language model. This allowed users to search for experiences using natural languages, depending on what they are looking for. For example, they can type things like, what are the most played experiences this week? I want to find surreal words, so many car-related games, or even top-rated fighting experiences. The system processes the request and delivers the most relevant results. To rank those results, we created a smart logic that gives 70% weight to the number of plays and 30% to user ratings. So we balance popularity with quality and avoid bias. Here is how the platform looks right now. Keep in mind, this is still a prototype. We will begin development during milestone 2. It may look real, but it's still a Figma prototype, so there might be some visual or interaction errors. The users sees a simple search input. Once they type, like, for example, here, fighting experiences, let's go here and interact. By the experiences, the system responds in a friendly and empathetic tone, not just showing results, but using natural languages to build a connection between the player and the creator. Users can view the results in two formats. This is the card view and also a list view. When they click view more, for this version, we have to take it to the Sandbox official page, to the Sandbox official experience page. And each card shows the creator name and also includes an option to support the creators. All the experiences, we have visibility of the creator and the possibility to support that creator that is the owner of that experience. So how does this support work? There are two options. If you go here, there are two options. One is sharing the experience on social networks. You can share it or copy the link in these 4 social networks or directly copy the link. For example, if you choose Twitter, the platform generates a pre-written tweet with the experience description and the creator tag, making it easy to share. Then also, you can go and send a tip if you want to give more to that creator. The user can send any ERC20 token by copying the creator wallet address and pasting it into their own wallet. You can copy it here. And also we put a disclaimer here that it says that we all only allow wallets in Ethereum and Polygon networks. Well, we haven't integrated wallet connections yet, mainly to keep things simple and build trust, but we do plan to show progress on that in the upcoming gift to the community. Another nice touch is that users don't need to go back to the homepage to start a new search. They can just change the query right from the results page and get fresh results instantly if they want to change their search. And we also added a fallback logic for when no direct matches are around. For example, if someone searches for fighting experiences, as this is the case, and we don't find anything, we will suggest related tags like battle experiences. For example, here we don't find fighting experiences, is an example, and we suggest the users some other related fighting experiences, but more related to battles. The idea is that users never hit a dead end. There is always a smart suggestions to keep their journey going and help them stay engaged. If we go back to the homepage, you will also find an about section explaining what this platform is about. And if you are a creator or someone who wants to sponsor one, you can do that directly from there. For example, if you want to appear in the homepage, you can choose your experience to be sponsored there. The sponsor experience will then appear right on the homepage. For example, you go here, you do only two steps. That is, one, select the quantity of days that you want to appear there in the homepage. For example, I will select 15 days, then paste the experience link exactly how it is in the experience official page of Sandbox. And then you connect the wallet, you select your wallet of your preference, you go here, you make the payment, and after that, the sponsorship will be confirmed for 15 days. Let me see what more. We also made some errors or fallbacks that we have there. If the language model, for example, fails or times out, we will have specific errors to cover these cases, where we give feedback to the user, sending an empathetic error message. The user can try again or return back to the home and try it later. And also we have another fallback message to help us manage backend resources. We have added a limit of 5 requests per minute because these help control costs, because we are using ChatGPT on the backend and each request uses tokens. So we avoid doing this. And we avoid scripts or people doing a lot of requests in less than 1 minute. So I think that's everything for now. This is the finish of the first milestone. And just a reminder, this is a project that will evolve month by month, depending on what the community needs. It's an iterative process. This is the version that we will launch, but in the future, this could be more reachful with all the things that are coming to Sandbox. And I hope you found this interesting and valuable. And we are genuinely excited about what's coming next later this week or early next week. We will be rolling out the milestone 2, so stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for listening. Any suggestions or questions are more than welcome. You can send me directly on Discord, find me as Mickey, or here on the forum, as you prefer. Sending a big huge from Argentina to everyone, and have a very nice week.